Should you rely on a methodology? Now, before we get into it, I want to define what a methodology is. In short, a methodology is just a structured approach for achieving a goal. Think of it as a map. It outlines the steps, the factors you need to consider, and the outcomes to aim for. So it's more than just a process. It's actually a framework that helps you shape how you need to think about something and how you need to act in accordance to it so that you can find the result that you're looking for. Sounds important? That's because it is. Now, I'm extremely biased on this because I love methodologies and I've found them really, really helpful. The reason why is because when it comes to how you do things, which is what a methodology helps you with, you generally have two choices. You either A, adopt one yourself, you choose a methodology, or B, one gets chosen for you. Why don't we want one chosen for us? Because generally, when we run on default, we're gonna run on the default method of our cultures, of our behaviors, and our systems. And sometimes those aren't always the best way of approaching a problem. The best way to explain this is by providing you some examples, some real world examples, and seeing how you can either choose a methodology or one gets chosen for you. So let's take training as an example. Now, you can either adopt a very robust training program, which relies on SOPs, feedback loops, training matrices, skill verification forms, and all that good stuff, or you will default to the normal way of doing it, the normal method, which is very based on tribal knowledge and kind of like, hey, just go shadow the expert and hope that you'll get it. Here's another example. Are you using Agile or are you having to deal with rush deadlines and technical debt? You see, you either embrace a methodology that challenges the process and people to improve, or you adopt the status quo. So the question isn't really if you'll use one. The question should be, which methodology should I use?